Oh man, Elena, you're getting me a little hot and bothered here. We're talking kitchen stuff, and oh man, yeah.
Let me tell you about my camp kitchen.
Oh.
Well, you saw the other day I was showing you how I made this and how I cut it all out.
Super jealous.
Really? We need to make one for you. Please do that. Let's make one for you. That would be awesome.
Well.
So let me show you just a little bit about what's in here and what I ended up doing with this. And we'll link to the other video here so you guys can kind of see how it was put together. But it's really easy.
And we're going to take this bad boy camping pretty soon and cook with it.
You're going to cook.
I'm going to cook with it.
I'm going to sit back and drink cocktails at the campfire. So I cut these two pieces out to use kind of as a work surface. This is like a scaled down chop box. My full-size chop box is just way too big.
Yeah, you heard that right. She is a full size. You did get that right.
But this is, I also like a kit. Dave will tell you, my husband will tell you, I like a kit. I like when everything like goes together and you just pick that thing up and you go and everything that you need for whatever you're doing is in that kit. So anyway, so this is my kitchen kit. And this is the smallest overlanding storage box that they make. This is the 30 liter. The overlanding community uses these. They throw them in the back of their Jeeps or 4Runners. So it's meant to be very sturdy and thrown around. I have a little place to hang a lantern, so you know when it's dark out I can do my situations in here.
She's gonna do her situation.
You know what I mean. So to start with the spices and cooking stuff, I showed this the other day in one of the reels. So this is like just Lowry seasoned salt. I just was like something to sprinkle on some meat over the campfire, everything but the bagel, because I love avocado toast. Then there is vegetable oil for, you know, getting a good sear on. And then I have teriyaki, soy sauce, and then Cholula, which I feel like covers a lot of bases.
Yeah.
So you do like a little skip, a little savory, and then a little breakfast. And I like the Cholula on my avocado toast and eggs. Then I like this. This is by that same company that made that stove that you sent me the video for the other day, the GSI.
Oh, yeah.
They have all sorts of camping stuff. I like this because you get a nice large cutting board.
Yeah.
But it folds down. But it's a live hinge. I'm not sure how long that's going to last. Plastic, but we'll see. And then here's another version of that Daiso grill, but this has legs on it.
If you're wanting to know what the Daiso grill is, watch our video.
Yes, we'll do a little link to it. So this is meant to have like a little stand that you can put over your fire or over your stove. So
a few little coals of charcoal.
Yes, or a few little coals of charcoal. The other day my Jetboil stove broke, so I sprung for this. This is a canister stove, but it has an adapter. I haven't used it yet. I haven't used this yet, but it has an adapter that will go to the isobutane.
If you've been watching any of our videos, you know another problem Elena has is stoves.
I have like maybe 5 or 6 now. But they all have different purposes. Like I have a tiny little backpacker one.
But the Daiso video, she has 2 just in the Daiso video.
Just in the Daiso video?
She's got a stove.
Let's talk about your oven, lady.
I do have an oven.
She has a can oven, and it's not that little fold-up Coleman one, the little aluminum one that you guys are thinking
Not
of.
full-size oven, but full tortilla.
Anyway,
It's a great stove, though. I agree. It's a really nice stove.
so here's my other stove.
Told you. What'd I say? No problem.
It's the Esbit. This is the one that has the Esbit tablets in it. I talked about these in the Daiso video. But these, I like this because I like redundancy and redundancy.
Lots of redundancies.
You know, if you run out of fuel or something, it is nice to have a little backup just to make sure you have something to heat some food up with. But this is tiny, and this will cook you a nice meal.
Camping mode.
Okay, I do too.
Love camping.
I do too. So if you're like me And like Angela, we love Snow Peak. Snow Peak is cool. No shade to Snow Peak.
No.
At all.
I like camping companies.
Yeah, I can't afford it, but Camping Moon does make some really good dupes.
Yeah.
So they're solid. This is a little grill to go over, and wait till I'm going to have to show you the other thing, why I got this and what it fits over.
This is really sturdy compared to the Daiso.
It's very solid.
Yeah.
So it's meant to be able to grill on.
Okay, I'll give you that one. It's more like a pan. Sure.
All right. See, the problem is I made her cocktails before we were filming, and I think that's brought the smart ass out. She's just like, I love you. So we're looking. Okay. Anyway, and then some of the like the classic Daiso, pan, just a couple plates and bowls. I got this at Daiso. They did not have this when I was there last time, but I like this little. And this is really flexible. You can use it for a bowl or something to eat out of, but you can, fry up an egg for your avocado toast in the morning. And then another camping mirror, and it's heavy duty. Here, this out.
Wow.
And this is camping myth as well.
Fun with this one.
It's really heavy.
It is really heavy.
It is not cheapo stuff. It's really solid, right?
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah. So I figure you like this little vegetable oil, get a nice little sear on. And then, this is my new one. I did a little reel about this the other day. So this is a whole little system. So another Camping Moon, right? So Camping Moon. I know.
So good.
They could sponsor us.
Ooh, and this thing has a leather.
Now I added that to it.
That's what you need.
But you can cook your rice in here. And then this goes on top. And I want to order another one.
Some vegetables.
So you could do some vegetables, some bao, some fish, and then this goes on top to steam it. So I really like that system, and I'm excited to try it.
Love Camping Man.
And then going back to Daiso finds, I have these folding spoon and a little folding fork, and then look at this tiny little baby grill. It's like the Camping Moon one, but it's tiny. I don't know what I would put on that. Really? What do we put on that? Like a tiny little fillet or something?
You can like cook up some onions or some peppers. Look for it.
I grabbed it because I was like, well, it fits in the thing and it's cute looking. So, and then these nest kits we've talked about multiple times. I like that this fits in here. So then you have two pots you can use this to eat off of. If you want, this has my cutting board and another steaming tray inside of it. Which, again, I feel like we're going to have multiple videos talking about this, but that's all right. And then at the end of the day, when it comes time to clean it all up, I have this. I love these. I think this is such a good idea. The water holds it up.
Right.
So there you go. Everything fits in there to wash up. And then I just have this little, I got this at Walmart. It's just a little scrubby.
These are amazing, though. If you've never seen these before, because like you can get collapsible things that they still like take up a lot of space. These take up no space.
Yeah.
That'll really, once you put the water in it, it becomes a solid.
Yeah. It just expands and then supports itself. So that's it. And all of that stuff fits in here. Now I'll tell you, these boxes, like this part is expensive.
Yeah.
This thing was,
It is.
like,
This is actually very solid box. So.
these were like, I think this was around $80, and that was the cheapest one I found. They go up.
Yeah.
Like you can spend a lot of money on these things.
Chuck boxes in general are not cheap at all. These two of you know what the other one was that you bought. I know
It was by Yoke.
Yeah,
it's really well
it's a
made.
really, really nice check box.
Yeah, and I like that it's mom and pop business out of Minneapolis.
Yes.
I felt really good about spending that money, and I'll have it forever, but it's really big, and it's really meant for car camping.
Yeah.
And I wanted something that was easy.
We would encourage you to purchase from them if like you can afford that, and you can actually just want to purchase one that's really, really well made and solid and
Really good customer service too.
Yeah.
We love the people over at Yoke. We really do. So, and then these guys, I throw these in everything. I got these at Daiso as well. They are great for wrapping up blankets, sleeping bags, hanging stuff off of trees. So that's it. That's my kitchen box.
Her second box. She has a worse problem than me, I really swear.
Oh, and then a mug.
You gotta have a mug.
Double. Well, you can use these for coffees and for cocktails.
Right.
You got to have a good cocktail mug at your campsite. That's it. We would love to know if you have any questions about the setup. I'd love to know if you have a kitchen cooking box. Like, what do you set up like when you go camping? Like, how do you
What
deal with
else
this?
should we buy to put
What else
in
do we-
here?
What stove do I not own?
Right.
Anyway, so thank you so much. We love y'all. Stay safe and stay wild.
Wonder often. I still stared at the thing. I know.